Rubbermaid Brilliance. 100% leak-proof, airtight food storage containers feature crystal clear, BPA-free Triton plastic that offers 360-degree clarity, and helps keep food fresh and secure. Food containers are clear like glass so you can always see what's inside, but are light and easy to carry. Stain and odor-resistant material keeps plastic food container looking like new. BPA-free containers stack perfectly to one another to save space and stay organized in the fridge or cabinet, and are safe for the dishwasher and freezer. Lifetime. Brilliance plastic containers have built-in vents under the latches that allow splatter-resistant microwaving reheating with the lid on. Set includes 0.5 cup mini, 1.3 cup small, 3.2 cup medium, and 4.7 cup medium deep containers, plus lids, for a total of 24 pieces. Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers are designed to be leak-proof, so you can easily transport sauces, soups, and stews. They stack for easy organization, letting you store meats, veggies, fruit and more in the fridge without clutter. The stain-resistant construction maintains a spotless look, and the built-in microwave vents make for safe and simple heating. Plus, the containers are dishwasher and freezer safe. Top reviews from the United States. Top material and construction. The seal is amazing, you can really feel it when you put the lid on. So far the containers seem to be stain-proof. I've stored tomato sauce in them and they wash out easily. I previously had other Rubbermaid containers of a similar material which really did stay stain-proof for the 15+ years I had them. I only got rid of them when they cracked, the one weakness of the hard plastic. I only wish that individual sizes were available at more reasonable prices. The variety sets are great for starting out, and come at a good price, but I need more of the small, 1.3 cup, size and buying them individually is pretty outrageous.